Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Opal card in Sydney. So first of all, you have to acquire an Opal card. You can get an Opal card from various locations like convenience stores, news agent, train station. You can also order on online through the Opal website. So this is Opal website here. You can just go to the ticket and Opal here. Once you click here, you will get an option that basically about Opal. So if I just open it up here, you will get all the information regarding it. So when you acquire an Opal card, you have to top up your card. Before you travel, make sure your Opal card have sufficient funds. If you don't have funds, you won't be able to use it. You can top up your card by using online website at Opal retailers or at top up machines located at train stations and ferry wares. Right, then you can just plan your journey. You can just use the transportation system, and then you have to just tap on this card while boarding public transportation. Find the Opal card reader near the entrance, which will be exactly at the entrance gate of buses, trains, etc. And then tap your card against the reader again to complete your journey. Make sure to do this, as failing to tap off may result in higher fare being charged. So this is very useful. Then you can just check the fares and balance and everything. You will also get a discount and caps. Opal card offer discount compared to single trip tickets. They also have a daily and weekly fare cap, so you will never pay more than a certain amount within a specific period, of making them cost effective for the regular commuters, right? So this is why we use Opal, and this is how you can use it. I hope you found this video very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.